Yo, what's up guys? What's going on? Sorry, I gotta pay attention to driving. Oh, it's that time again. New build. Gonna go pick it up. So sick, so excited. This has been a car, guys, I've been wanting ever since I was a kid. Definitely top 5 on my dream list of car. Classic JDM car, super sick. You don't really see them often. People who do have them don't want to sell them. So I came up on this crazy opportunity, but we're gonna go get it now. All right guys, we did it, we bought it. Now waiting for the tow truck. I'll see you guys back at the house. Get ready to see this thing. I'm so excited. I can't believe I got this car. I was about to throw my mic. See you at the house. All right guys, it's that time. Introducing to you guys our newest build. All right, now that you guys saw the next build, let me know in the comments what you guys think. So as you guys saw in the montage, I got myself a 2008 Subaru WRX STI edition, and this has been a dream car of mine ever since I was like 15. I remember going and looking at these with my dad, and my dad telling me this is not the right car for me. And now that I'm older, I agree with him. It wasn't the car for me at that time, but now we're here. We're got ourselves a deal, guys. So this car, you guys wouldn't even believe it, it's in pretty good shape. It's a lot of TLC. As you guys can see, the bumper has damages on it. Some of the fitment on the stuff is not that good. See the front bumper. Front headlights are pretty much shot. Grille is color faded. Hood scoop is missing. Big old hole. Yeah, front bumper pretty much needs to be replaced. You need to get rid of these fake wheels. No bueno. You need to get the calipers powder coated. The paint's chipping off. It's super dirty. Yeah, see the rear. Same thing. Came with a Tome though, so that's nice. Super dirty though. So what had happened was this car, previous owner, was a young fella, and I don't know, I guess the maintenance wasn't done correctly and used and abused. So this is the turbo that was on the car, and as you guys can see, that turbo blade is said bye-bye. It ate itself. What's even crazier, the back blade that goes in the housing is not even there. So this is the back housing. Absolutely wild. It pretty much toasted itself. So yeah, this car was super come up. As always, I tell you guys how much I pay for my cars. I got this thing with 133,000 miles on it for 7,000 to be exact. And yeah, super cool. Clean title, but obviously it does have its catch. So, oh, let's get this open. So obviously we have our, sorry guys, the sun makes the lighting hard. So we have the engine in here. Right away, what I could tell, this car probably has a head gasket issue, because you guys can see there's this. And I found some glitter in the radiator. That's fine. Pretty much my plan is just ride out this motor till it fully gives up. But right away, you guys saw in the montage, the turbo is missing. Showed you guys it was blown up. Just bang my head on the hood. But yeah, pretty much the turbo is missing, so we need to get that ASAP, and then this car will pretty much be able to start. It has everything else, but it needs a lot of like just normal love. All the pulleys and stuff need to get changed. They're a little bit corroded and rusted, and then the valve cover gaskets I need to change. As you guys see, there's oil leaks right there. Just maintenance stuff that needs to be done, and obviously they never did it before, and this car just got used and abused, but no problem, I'll take care of it. So for 7,000, I couldn't say no. I had to get it. These cars, if you look them up, they're around the $19,000 to $20,000 range. So let me slap a turbo on it and get it going again. I think it might need a new clutch. But yeah, check out the interior. So we got our STI steering wheel, STI dash. They busted like boost gauge, but look at this. Interior is pretty clean. Comes with the STI racing seats. The rear is relatively clean. Roof liner is clean. It's actually one of my first cars that has a roof liner. But yeah, super excited. And it's 6-speed, so that's gonna be sick. Our little section for the all-wheel drive and etc. But yeah, so obviously it needs his love. Paint job's a little messed up. But yeah, what do you guys think? Pretty nice, huh? I think it's nice. Let me know what you guys think. Anyways, I don't plan on selling this car. I'm gonna build this thing up and keep it. It's the perfect car for the mountain when we go snowboarding. And then me and Melina, when we wanna go camping, has the hatch, rear seats, sit back. So super excited, guys. Hopefully you guys like it. And yeah, a new build to the garage. It's crazy, I have 3 blue cars now. Supra's blue, Subi's blue, 240 as well is blue. Bunch of blue cars. But anyways, welcome to the pad.